Yeah, it's just a update on the young birds and the breeding birds, like my stock birds. Like yeah, this is just the update on them, and yeah, stay tuned for the video. And here we go, guys. So some of them have been tossed like this one. They've been tossed like for yeah the molting guys for 40 kilometers, no 20 kilometers, 20. So yeah, 20 kilometers. So they're fit. They are fit though, and some of them are molting, but this is just their body feeders that is molting, not their flights, so they are still right. That's why I tossed them, some of them. So yeah, they are doing great. Let's check out the other birds. They have eaten already, and like yeah, guys, I have cleaned my loft. Not clean, but like yeah, extra um, poop and stuff is out. So yeah, it's not bad. So yeah, guys, look at that one day. I really like that one, guys. Don't know why, but like I know why. That is Nismay though. Also wanna be in the video because that balance of that bird is like amazing, man. I will give you more insight on the young birds. Um, when I handle them, I will make a short on that. And yeah, guys, let's check out the other birds. So in here is nothing though. The grizzle and that red day is paired up. Look at this two here, guys. Look at this, guys. There's a flight. There's a blue bar white flight. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they are niche mates. Here's the mother. Here's the mother. Here's the father. They are also paired up. That's also. Oh, yeah. So, what I did here, I just changed the cock. The cock bird, I changed to that mealy there. So, yeah. I'm now gonna show you his half brother. There's his half brother going. So, they are paired up here, guys. As you guys can see, that's his half brother. So, yeah. Look at that red, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Come here. Look at that red, guys. It's just amazing, man. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning into my videos. And yeah, stay tuned for more. I'm out.